Hey guys, 'tis the season to start gifting all of the preserves we made fresh from the garden. We have a bunch that we're sending off as teacher gifts and friend gifts, but we're dressing them up with some things from the garden first. To do this, just grab some small sprigs of rosemary or lavender or even spruce and wrap them around a hair rubber band. I just take small pieces of wire and wrap it around the stem of the sprig. Keep doing this until you have a full circle or a mini wreath. It's that easy. Add a label and you have a great holiday gift. Another fun idea is to give the gift that keeps on giving. Add seeds to the outside of the jar, matching what's inside. Kids really love this idea because after tasting the yumminess inside, they have a container to start their own garden. For more ideas on growing enthusiasm in your garden, be sure to check out the links below. I'll see you soon.